Hey there YouTube fam, welcome back to another awesome video on my channel. Today I have an exciting topic to discuss with you all. How to add an admin like a pro on your Facebook page. That's something interesting. Yep. If you are looking to expand your team or delegate some tasks in your Facebook ads agency, or you are a D2C commerce brand owner, this is the ultimate guide you have been waiting for. Why? Because it's pretty seamless and it's pretty easy for you. So let's jump right in and level up your Facebook page game. So this is the most easiest way which I'm going to show you that how you can give access to your guide in order to manage your ads. Okay, so what you have to do right now, you just need to click on your people section in your VM, which you can see over here. Click on ad section, put the email ID of one of your team member to whom you want to give access to. Okay, click next and then next over here and select the page you want to give him. The way I have been giving right now. Okay, if I want him to manage my ads, I have selected the ad section. If you just want them to click on the to manage your, you can say, content and engage with community and deal with the messages, so you just need to enable these three things. Okay, but if you want to give him proper access so he can manage all of these things, you just need to select all of these which I have selected over here. Click invite and we are good to go. Invitation sent, and you're gonna get an invitation on his mail as well, plus you're gonna get a notification in his Facebook app as well. And there you have it. You have successfully added an admin to your Facebook page. Now you can share the responsibilities, brainstorm ideas, make your page soar to new heights. How amazing is that? I hope this guide was as thrilling for you as it was for me. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below and I will be your trusty guide, that's for sure. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content on Facebook ad. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing and keep rocking your Facebook page game like a pro.